klaseng ano yan, ha? Tignan mo.
Anong baboy?
Brown sugar.
Kinabahan ako dun na.
Daddy, that was good fun slide.
Akala ko
Kaya
agad
hanap.
tapos
That was a fun slide.
dinala ko
Daddy,
tayong
was
gamot
that
ko.
a fun slide out there?
May tira-tira pa ako
Ate.
dun.
Is this a fun slide? That was a fun slide?
Pero doon sa nung pang-skolas yan.
Oo, nakakatakot.
Mga ganun,
Nakakatakot yun.
Akala ko, nag-i-enjoy, takot na pala.
Parang duyan.
Ngayon, hindi na.
Yes. Oo, ganun posisyon.
Sabi ko ngayon.
Hindi na?
Greetings, explorers. Welcome to the Amazon River Quest. Hold on to your hats. This is going to be an amazing ride.
Amazing.
Hiding among leaves on the right are cotton-top
Baba
tamarins. These small monkeys talk to each other in chirps and whistles.
Yun ang anak ko.
Ang cute nila.
Daddy, bawal lang ganyan, Daddy. Dito. Bakit bawal lang? Ang baba ko.
We're now entering the land of the giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large and furry? That's the giant anteater. Look out for the sharp claws. They're used to digging into the mud.
Laki, no?
Did you see, Sean?
Kapal nung ano, buntot.
Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed cotimundis.
Tulog, oh.
They're able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees.
Daddy, bawal lang sila. Daddy, bawal dito.
Saan pa baba?
Nakaba na naman. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Of spider monkeys. They can leap over 9 meters from branch to branch.
Bababa, Daddy.
Spider monkey daw.
Do you see two large brown animals?
There.
These are Brazilian
Yun.
daisies.
Black. Ayun, oh.
Gorgeous land mammals in the
There.
Amazon growing up to 300 kilograms. However, it still has
Ay,
enemies.
natutulog.
When chased by the cougars and jaguars, they run and plunge into the river.
Buka. Dapat isa pa yun mamaya, ha? Padalis ka daw, no?
Dalis mo na.
Watch out for jaguars.
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Shadow, our young jaguar. He was born in the Singapore Zoo in 2004. Shadow likes to play with mud, especially when it's wet. His parents, Angel and Khan, are coming up next. The jaguar is a top predator in the Amazon. He has a powerful bite that pierces razor sharp with his teeth.
What does say, Daddy? Watch out for jaguars.
Siyempre,
What is that, Daddy?
the jaguars are predators. They can eat you.
What is it?
Kaya. Dalawa.
See it.
Dalawa.
Busog.
Parang may kamay pa ng tao yun.
Ang tao lang po. Busog. Tulog. Ganda. Oh, ito na naman.
Again.
Son. Lapit.
Go down again.
Lapit, Son. Ayan na, Son.
Hello, explorers. Look up on your left. These are the
Oh!
Gates are black and gaping. Just like the red howler monkeys, they howl loudly when they sense an approaching wave.
See you na? Oh,
If
yun na
you
yung
turn
ano.
to your left,
Flamingo.
you'll spot the Korean flamingo.
Flamingo.
The flamingo's curved beak acts as a sieve, filtering out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. This opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70 kilograms and are the world's largest rodent.
Ayun, nakatago doon sa dulo.
Dito sa...
Ayun, ayun.
Ayun.
Ayun, kapibara. Ang laki, no? Ayun, no? Kinakain ng mga anaconda yan.
Oh?
Oo.
Ang lungkot niya, oh.
Largest rodent in the world.
Wala siyang kasama kasi.
Oo nga, ang lungkot nga niya.
Ha?
Samahan mo nga siya doon siya.
Lang, yan. Ako ang bababa naman. Bakit parang nilungkot niya?
Nandito lang siya eh.
Sabi kasama siyang isa.
Siyempre, may kausap na siya. Nakikita na siya ng tao.
Tapos may biglang cobra. Wow!
Kaya buhaya, no?
Out.
No, mami, no?
Parang makakatakbo agad dito pag
Yari sila, pwede natin silang kasuhan. Na?
paano pa natin sila ikakaso eh. Mga putol na to. Putol na tayo.
Hindi kung may mga kaligtas sa atin.
Wala man. Paano ka ba makakatayo nito?
Akala mo na, nagreklamo ka, nung multo ka na lang pala.
Nagreklamo ka.
Hold on to the handrail now.
Sa police
Oh,
station.
doctor, lagot ka.
Ano na to?
Diba?
Ala, pababa na tayo nito. Teka.
Hindi. Eh, ito tapos na.
That's our fox.
Naalala ko pa rin sa Malaysia, nagbakarin tayo. Nakabangga-banggaan pa tayo.
Oh.
Did you enjoy, Sean?
Dati daw, dati, mami, may pinapit sa mga babae.
Mga